Assalamu alaikum and good morning, beautiful faces of the internet. My name is Abdullah Ahmadi and you are watching not Abdullah Ahmadi Vlogs, but this is my Nana's channel, the new channel. The name is not officially announced right now because no reason. So today we are going to make a vanilla cake due to the celebration of my completing of the Quran, alhamdulillah. I want you guys to support this channel and make lots of dua for me that I remember the Quran till the time I'm alive. So let's continue with the video and enjoy the video and watch till the end. That's the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't shoot the toppings which I made on this cake because I want you guys to make your own toppings and decorate the cake as you want. So that's the end of the video. So we are going to cut this cake. Bismillah. Bismillah. Let us taste this cake. Bismillah. It's really good. You don't believe me? Let me call a professional tester. Let me call upon Alia. Take one bite. How's it?
It's yummy.
So now you believe it? That's the end of the video, and I will, like always, catch you guys with another recipe in another video next time.